Early learning with fun.
Hey kids! Today we're going to go on an adventure to the mountains with Nino and Nina. Hi Nino! Hi Nina! Backpacks packed and ready to go! We are going to go up the mountain with a ski lift. The ski lift is a cabin that goes up the mountain on 2 cables. We're here! Let's hop off! The mountain awaits! We are going to follow the trail up the mountain. On either side of the trail, you can see many trees. They are called firs. Those trees are oak trees, and they produce acorns. Oh, look on that tree! A little squirrel. Squirrels love acorns. Look, it grabs one with its tiny hands and gnaws on it with its sharp teeth. Do you see that? Those bushes are filled with blueberries. They're delicious. We can eat some. Shh, be very quiet. 2 deer are hiding behind the firs. They are looking at us with their curious eyes. We must not frighten them. Oh, what beautiful flowers! They are poppies. They look like a red carpet on the green grass. There's a turtle between the poppies. She looks funny hiding in her shell. That's her home. Look up into the sky. An eagle is flying proudly in the clouds. He is the king of the skies. Time to have a picnic. We've brought sandwiches and some fruit. But where did my apple go? Aw, baby goat, little trickster, you stole my apple. Before we go, we have to pick up our trash and the tablecloth. We must never leave our trash on the mountain. Over there, a shepherd has let his sheep wander and eat fresh grass. Oh, a source of water. Let's drink some fresh water. It's time to go home now. But what is that bird we hear? It's an owl. And now that we are heading back, let's repeat everything we saw on the mountain. The ski lift. The trail. The firs. The oak trees and the acorns. The squirrel. The blueberries. The deer. The poppies. The turtle. The eagle. The picnic. The goat. The shepherd and the sheep. The source of water. The owl. What a lovely time we had up on the mountain. Can't wait for our next adventure. Bye, Nino. Bye, Nina. Bye, kids.